Hello and welcome, it's Jolly Cube. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with a puddle pour today. So trying something a little different again and a different composition. So I'll explain as we go along, but first of all I'm just going to spread my base coat out with that offset spatula. The base coat is just my normal acrylic paint mixed with my pouring medium, and all the instructions to that are in the drop down box underneath this video. So it's just I don't need to give it a base coat because my canvases come pre-gessoed or whatever you call it, but this is what I want to put down so my puddles of paint will slide nicely. So okie doke, I'm going to go through starting to puddle my colours. This was just a bit of a custom colour that was left over, which was basically just the white with a bit of I think it had a bit of phthalo blue and grey in it, but it was just a leftover, so it was, thought I'd start off with that. So that's a lovely turquoise going in there. Now for a lovely antique gold. This puddle is my navy. Now for some delicious metallic copper. finishing off with, that was white, and now I'm giving it a hit with my heat wand so it bursts air bubbles in there, and I will start to tilt. So as you can see, you just gently tilt it and make sure you keep the paint evenly covered on your canvas as you're tilting. And it just created this kind of different effect that I want to try now some Aussie slides in, meaning that I'm going to use soft plastic file divider cut into little strips, and I'm going to put on that plastic file divider, or my little swipey thing, some paint that's mixed with Australian Floetrol only, and it will give me the gorgeous lacing sort of beautiful cells, as you'll see. First of all, I'll try it with just an acrylic paint and Floetrol. I'm not sure, I think that was a custom burnt umber and black on there, and I thought I'd just see if this one works, but it seems to never work as well than as if you're using Amsterdam paint and Floetrol. Sometimes it does and sometimes it doesn't. I think different paint colours, but as you can see, I do some Aussie slides through it and no cells appear, not many. So now we'll try the same paint. We'll try Amsterdam paint and Australian Floetrol. As you can see, that worked marvellously. So now I'm just trying the brilliant white with the Floetrol, same again, doing some Aussie slides. It kind of creates like a 3D effect through it, just going back over that original one to see if I can get some better lacy effects. So yeah, it really adds like a depth to the whole piece of art. Wow, wow, wow. Really enjoying this. Really looks lovely. Looks like the cover for a record label or a record or something. I've seen this kind of thing. I'll have to think where I've actually have seen it. But anyway, it is, I've done Aussie slides loads of times before. I just thought I'd mix it with a puddle pour. So I hope you like it, my lovelies. Oh my goodness, just look at this gorgeous, gorgeous effects. And because it's done over the top of those puddle pours, it looks as though it's, you know, 3D. It's kind of give a, yeah, like a serpent is in there. But look at the effects in that. So those second swiped were Australian Floetrol. That makes the difference. Look at the colours that it's brought through. Now I want to swipe the whole lot. But I think that the effects of those swipes really does give it a 3D effect. When this is dry and gloss varnished, it will look fandabulous. Fandabulous. It's really, do you think it needs any more swipes through it? I just want to go and swipe it, because I'm getting such beautiful kind of gem effects in there. Ooh, so much fun, so much fun. Okay, my lovelies, until tomorrow, bye for now. Look out for the photos at the end. Hope you enjoyed that crazy session as I did. Bye for now.